Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload another video. In today's video for episode 3, this is going to be an actual vanity area that I'm going to be showing you before I decorate it, make it all glam and cute for my liking. This furniture piece, someone had gave it to me. It's like a woven basket material dresser. The color was actually burgundy. I decided to use a white acrylic paint to paint over it, and then I had from a long time ago from Dollar Tree contact paper, like a kind of towel material design. I love how it turned out. It looks so cute and stylish, also put together. And then the side of this is 2 boxes that I got from Dollar General. I've been having these boxes. They was cute, and I know it kind of basically go together. It fits really well with my whole theme and what I was going for. The baskets, or if you want to call them bins, I actually screw them into the wall. I decided to go with that because I want them to be sturdy and also not go anywhere. And I love the way it turned out. You can also put thumbtacks to hold these up if you want to. But like I said, I decided to just screw these into the wall, and they're lasting and going very well for me. So it'll be your preference. The decals that you're seeing for the wall, I got them at Dollar Tree, and I love the way they turned out. It looks so cute and goes together. Now I'm going to show you the top and bottom of this vanity area before I truly decorate it some more. Continue to keep watching. This is my finished results. I'm so loving it, how it turned out. It's like, it gives you a little bit, but it's not like a whole lot. It's what I got for right now. All my basic stuff. And I want to add more pieces to this, more probably bigger items to make it more glam and more me. But this is what I have for right now, and I'm okay with that. A lot of these items I already had a long time ago before all this chaos around the world had happened. I collected a whole bunch of stuff throughout the months of last year, and also some beginning of this year as well. So, and also I got from items from Dollar General, Goodwill, and also of course Dollar Tree and Family Dollar too as well. And also people gave me stuff, so I just put all these things, items that I had collected, got from people, or bought myself, just went ahead and decided to put it up, see basically what works and what don't work, what you like and what I didn't like. So you just gotta figure out what you really want for your vanity and what you picture in your mind, or what you want your vanity area to look like, because only you're gonna be using this, so you gotta keep that in mind when you're working on your own vanity area. The white bin that you see, I recently got that from Dollar Tree because I recently just put it out, and I put some transparent sticker onto the spell trash, so it turned out really cute, and I decided to go for white. They have other colors there, but I just wanted white to go with the whole thing, color that I was going for. The bottom of this dresser, I decided to have it in 3 compartments kind of category. So the first layer is items that I want to be using all the time, and things like bags that I want to go ahead and grab, like when I want to go to put makeup inside of it, and things I just want, like perfume I want to spray if I want to use it, and tissue, things like that when I need it. And then the second layer is all nothing but nail items and tools that I will always use. So nail tools and items, I always use these, so I just grab them and go when I do my nails. and that's really about it. And then the little bottom part, the third compartment, it actually comes out, and I just put stored items in it that I'm not going to be using, that I don't want to be open display. So I just put all those items in that little third compartment. Now I'm going to show you the top and bottom of this vanity area. This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, deuces, VLOGTRIP.